Alright guys, welcome back to this platform. In this tutorial, I'll be taking the class 3 times a week because I work with companies and I work online as a freelancer and also get paid online. That's a side income, okay? Using this same tutorial I'm about to teach you. Okay, so let's get to work. I'll be giving you the basic definition of HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. The hypertext means a text within a text that has a link, a text that can link you to another web page. That is what they call hypertext. The markup language is, for example, like English language, we have semicolon, we have quotation mark, we have hyphens and all of that. So on HTML, that's the proper definition of semicolon, all of that is markup language. So, and to write all this HTML file, we need HTML editor. HTML editor, we have HTML editor for mobile phone and we have HTML for computers. Remember I sent a link about HTML editor that you should download. So I will be taking you through on how to download them one after the other. So guys, just like I said, I'll be taking you through on how to download HTML editor on your mobile phone and your laptop. This I'll be teaching you how to download on your laptop. Watch out. It's downloading, but I have it on my